To do a pump calibration, first place a jug under the steam wand. On your machine dial, hold the back and confirm buttons at the same time. In Settings, select Calibration using the slider and press the Confirm button. Refill the water tank to the max line indicator. Once ready, click Confirm. The machine will start calibrating the pump to ensure it is within specifications, and this process takes approximately 2 minutes to complete. Once calibration is complete, the screen will indicate the pump voltage value. The lower the value, the stronger the steam output. The current setting of 2,980 is within the normal operating range.